Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and today I come to you with a video about oilcloth shoes. These are very old and tattered oilcloth shoes. The material has been treated and so that it could take a wiping. Children could wipe the shoe off. But the only thing that happened with them over time is that they did start to break apart and to become a little bit on the tattered side. And over time too, they dry up. And I would like to learn how to make these. So these are going to be examples of patterns that I'm going to do. But anyways, let's take a look at the material. I bought some oilcloth material. I got it from off of Etsy. So I got two colors. I got two more colors coming in. I got beige and I got white. Most of these shoes were done in the beige, but I got white because I know also white was another color that I have some in white. Now, so that's another little project that I'm going to be working on. I'll give you updates. I do have the mechanism machinery to put the little buttons in as well, so I can do snaps and everything. I do have the punch and everything for that. And little girl, you cannot be up here. All right, so now for my update of Trudy. Trudy, how is she doing? Oh, well, all of us, what is this going on here? There is a little poopy in my window. That's my little, that there is my little fur baby grandson. Pepper, what are you doing? All of a sudden I saw a dog bouncing up and down. Do it again, Tamara. Oh, too bad. Yeah, that's okay. Thank you, Tamara, for that little excerpt. All right. How is Trudy coming along? Well, let's take a look at her. I just made her hat. Oh, I gotta get this cat down. Come on, you go down. You don't belong up here. All right. So, anyways, this is my hat for Trudy. There we go. I just finished making it. I did a lot of hand sewing on it. I still have a little bit more hand sewing to do. Let me put it on her head so you can see. I'm still working on her painting. I haven't started yet. I've been doing some test painting on her and filling up some holes still on her, little nicks and everything. Not done yet, but there it is on her. Now, this is actually the original size of the hat, but it didn't fit. So I added this extra brim on and trimmed it off with this trim I had. I got it from the used store, and I thought it looked kind of nice on there, and I might put a little bell on the top of her hat there. But this is her hat, and it has to be sewn to her body, so it won't work right now for me to turn her head, because you have to have this sewn to the body. That's how this was. This hat was sewn to the body, and then you'll see her head turn. But anyways, as that may be, there she is. And I'm going to get disrupted again. I'm not doing too good here with my video. Watch it. Okay, 1 second, Stephen. My son's coming in. Just 1 second, okay? Okay. So anyways, this is where I'm at. This is my hat for Trudy. I think I did pretty good for copying her hat off the pattern that she had. I did try one new thing on my machine, which was the zigzag pattern, which I've never done before. So I did try it out on the top of her hat there. I thought it turned out pretty good. But like I said, I did a lot of hand sewing. This trim was hand sewn on. I hand sewed around her little knob at the top here. So the rest was machine done, but this material was really hard to work with the machine. It wanted to stretch and not go through to be pulled through and everything. I had to hand pull it through at times. So that's why I went to hand sewing hand sewing the trim on. But I love doing it. It really worked out nice. So anyways, I thought I'd give you an update of where Trudy is and where we're coming and what I've been up to. I am busy. I'll show you also, I just cut out her pants today. So here's her pants. Her pants are all cut out. Let's back up a little bit so you can see this. Is that backed up or... That's coming in. Okay. There's her pants. I'm just starting to pin them. Okay, and get my idea of how I got to sew them up and everything. So there they are. They're going to be ready to go on her soon. Well, once I got her body done here. So just a matter of just doing that, and next doing her top. And then my painting, of course. So I hope you like what I'm up to here when it comes to making these little shoes. I'm going to try it out. I got my, like I said, I got my material. And I got this from Etsy. And quite a bit of it here. I don't know how many yards of it is here. I can't remember what I bought, how many yards of it. But got it from off of Etsy, like I said. And they had a variety of colors you could buy. I am going to try to find it locally if I can. Okay, I've been looking, nothing at this time. So we'll see if I can find it locally. And yeah, very excited about this. And all the moves I'm making here, trying to explore new things. What's going to happen to these shoes is I'm going to be using them as patterns. So I'll be taking out the stitching and making my own shoes for from here on in for my older dolls. So there we go. Because we know a lot of them came in oilcloth shoes. So it'll be nice to return them to that. So anyways, there we be. All right, everybody, I'll keep you posted. I'll show you my updates on the oil shoes as well. Thanks again for coming and listening to me. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks again for dropping in. Bye-bye.